Hi all. So welcome. We're going to talk about Chapter 2, Section 5 homework question. The one with the most votes was 33. If you have a question that isn't 33, make sure you filled in the homework question form. If you have, it just means that maybe you were the only one who had a question on that. So feel free to leave me a private comment and I'm happy to get back to you. So number 33, we had the problem solve and graph negative 2t equals 4. So the first thing we're going to do is solve, which, if you remember, means get the variable by itself. Now this is the negative 2t. I might write it as negative 2 times t. I just put that little multiplication sign in there to help remind us that what's going to cancel out this multiplication is to divide both sides. And I'm going to divide it by negative 2. And if I do something to one term, I got to do it to the other. Right? That's the rules of equality. So I know that I've canceled this out correctly on this side because what's negative 2 divided by negative 2? It's going to be a positive 1, still times t. Positive 1 times t is the same as t. So now I have the variable by itself. So I know I've done the correct thing to cancel out this number and get the variable by itself. So then on the other side, I have positive 4 divided by negative 2. A positive divided by a negative is going to be a negative, and then it's going to be just 4 divided by 2, which is negative 2. So this is the answer to our solve problem. T is equal to negative 2. Now where I think a lot of you maybe struggled is that this also asks you to graph. And since it says equal, it's not going to be the same graph as maybe the inequality. So I'm going to scoot over a little bit. We're still going to graph on a number line. I'm still going to be interested in the point negative 2. I'll add in a couple points around it. Negative 3 is one less. Negative 1, 0. And since it's equal, that's a closed boundary. So that means it's going to be at negative 2 and it's going to be a filled in dot. And we aren't shading anything else. It's just that filled in dot because the numbers that are greater than t aren't equal, and the numbers that are less than t aren't equal. So that's our graph. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you want to put something in the comments, put something in the nomination form, and I'll be checking that again later today and on Friday, as well as the nomination form for 2.7. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later.